sometimes wishes do come true. Here is one for you. May your days be merry and your troubles few.
Hi, Vic. Happy birthday. Birthday day ni mo karon. Layo mong kag-birthdayhan. Membro ka na senior, kay 16 naman ay ka. Happy birthday. Sa may mong handa diha. Daghang kaganda kay naaman. Katiha. Good health. God bless. And be my forever best friend. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nanay! I wish you good health and happiness and long life. So, enjoy mo dira sa Manila. See you soon. Bye!
Hi, Nanay Vicky! Happy 60th birthday! Nay, magkaedad mo na yung ni Mama di ay. Well, sorry, di ko pa nahadya karon kay duty ko. Hindi nga na po duty yun yung gabi eh. Kadlawan di ay, makadlawan di ay 1 a.m. Enjoy your birthday, Nanay! See you pohon! God bless! Love, love! Mwah!
Hello, Vic. Happy birthday. Oh, kuan na pug ka, nakigkuyog na pug ka sa mga senior. Hope nga ma-enjoy mo imong pagka dual citizen ha. O maka-avail ka na sa mga privilege sa mga senior. O hope nga ma-enjoy pa nimo ang imong kinabuhi, more years to celebrate, ug kauban sa imong mga anak nga mga buutan, nya mga gwapag pagyud o nya labi na sa imong mga apo. Ug lastly, happy birthday, enjoy your day, and be safe. Thank you.
Hello, Nanay Vic. Happy 60th birthday. Wish you have a good health and long life. Enjoy mo lahat na natin. Pagkakit. See you soon. Happy birthday.
Kusga. Happy birthday ko nung nanay. Happy birthday ko nung nanay ining Tamara. Hinaot unta. Dagan kag mayong lawas per me. O sa umaabot pang daghan pang birthday nga mo abot. O sunod birthday nimo din hinata magkuyog puta din ha. Na magbibiyoyo ko na si Amara sa imo. Nanay. Smile, nanay, smile. I love you, nanay. I love you. Naingat. Na uli na. Bye-bye. Smile.
Hello, ya! Happy 60th birthday po! Ako anak niya. Great achieve! Lola, happy 60th birthday, Lola! Sana daghan pa mo abot ni mo nga birthday ya. Happy birthday! na.
Tip na!
60. Happy 60 birthday. Tagaan ka pa og mayong lawas og taas pa nga kinabuhi.
Mami ka. Mami ka inom.
Ang lechon og cake, ice cream. Palupad na lang. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inuman. Sa'yo ang pulutan. Sa'yo malasing. Mo. Ako.
Kamu.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday mana.
Happy birthday, Big.
Happy birthday, Victoria! 60th birthday. And many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday!
Happy 60th birthday, Victoria!
Wish you good health.
More birthdays to come. Again, happy birthday! Yay!
Happy birthday,
birthday,
60th
Vic.
birthday, Victoria!
Many more birthdays to come.
And happy birthday!
Hiya, happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Sa inyong birthday ka ro, magkita yung punta ka ang taong ano pa nga birthday? Ano pa nga birthday mo sa imo o paayong panglawas ka namin? Happy birthday!
Hello, yeah, Victoria. Happy 60th birthday. Wish you all the best, yeah, and good health. Be happy always.
God bless.
Hi, Big Big! Happy birthday!
Hello, Beck! Birthday dahil mo karon. Happy birthday! Wa mo bahay ba o wa may regalo? Musta naman mo riya? Man Wilson. Musta? Ikaw? Hi, Beck. Pila na among birthday karon? Pila na ka edad ni mo? Mag 60 na ba? Hinaot pa unta nga tagaan kag daghang pang birthday nga maabot. Niya, ingat na lang mo din ha. Di alaman mi dire. Kita amis inyong handa ha. Tanawa mi ha. Wow. So na, sige.
Happy birthday, Mana. More blessings to come. More candles to blow. 20% na pagpalit o medisina. Maka-discount ka naman na. Kay 60 ka na. Be always happy.
Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Welcome to Senior Citizens Club. Ito, tigawag na si Mana, 60. We wish you all the best, health, and long life. Enjoy your senior citizens 25% discount. Kita na enjoy your day. It's your day. Happy birthday.
Hi Mana, good morning. Happy birthday. I wish you have more birthdays to come and have a good health always. Enjoy your life na napakalinha samtang bata pa, samtang makasuroy pa, suroy. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Nay. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Nay. Enjoy your day.
Unta, malipay mo karon sa imong adlaw. Wish you good health and enjoy diha sa Manila. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Rai. More birthdays to come. Anya, anta mag-enjoy mo ni tatay nila sa Manila, for sure.
Hi, Nai. Happy birthday. Stay healthy for me and may God bless you always.
Hi Nay, happy birthday. Unsay handa na to diha Nay kay mga nami. Bitaw Nay, sa imong birthday karon, wish you more birthdays and blessings to come and good health inyo ni tatay. Sa ba? So, di na lang ko patason kay base mag-iso nag-edit sa teacher sa video. So, enjoy your day and your stay. Kaban ni tatay, kuya Miladiche, ni Ate Maris, Anika, and ni Marky. Again, happy birthday and God bless you more. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mads. Happy birthday, Nanay Pikpik. Welcome sa pagka-senior.
Welcome,
Birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy 60th. We love you po. God bless po. Sana po marami po pong birthday na maranasan niya.
Happy birthday, Ate B!
Happy birthday, Ate B! Happy 60th year birthday, Ate B! Naway, patuloy ka pagpalain ng Panginoon at umaba pa ang iyong buhay. Ang pagpapala ng Diyos ay laging sumainyo, pati na sa iyong mga anak. Dahil alam naman namin na mabuti ang kalooban ng iyong mga anak. Ganun din naman ang iyong asawa. Kumusta? Happy birthday, Ate Vic. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Ate Vic. Sana may pagkakataon na magsama-sama tayo, tayong lahat, para mas magiging mas masaya. At patuloy lang na maging malakas yung pangangatawan mo. Pasensya ka na, hindi tayo nagkikita dahil sa hindi tayo nagtatagpo dahil sa mga schedule natin, pero hayaan mo, balang araw magkikita-kita tayo, magsasama-sama. Happy birthday!
Hi Mana! Happy 60th birthday sa'yo. Wish you happiness, good health, success in life, and a happy family today and always. I admire you for such a terrible sister and very loving mother to your siblings. Wish you all the best and be thankful and pray for all the situations, bad or good, that comes in your life. That's life. Stay beautiful and baby face always. Ingat lagi. Again, happy birthday. Just enjoy your birthday celebration. Bye. God bless.
Hello, Nanay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Nanay!
Birthday, Nanay! Happy birthday, Nanay! Happy birthday!
Play na? Maka-play na? Happy birthday, Nanay! I wish you good health. Tsaka laging mag-ingat sa inyo. Love you.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Love you. Love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Nanay. Happy 60th birthday. Wish you good health. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nanay! Amping kanunay. O lubos sa tanan. Enjoy your day. Sana tagaan pagkagtas nga kinabuhi o daghang pang birthday. Sana kauban ka na mo sa birthday. Palayo man. Again, happy birthday o enjoy your day. Love you, Nay.
Hi, Nanay. Happy birthday, Nay.
Happy birthday!
Good health. Pag-uwag pa sa'yo, Nay. Love ka namin. Enjoy. Love. Happy birthday.
Hi, Nanay! Sana happy ka sa imong birthday karon. And salamat sa kanan. And senior citizen na gid ang imong nanay. Birthday!
Sana masaya ka. Kasi hindi ako makakapunta. nahihirapan akong sana masaya ka. Mag-ingat ka.
Senior na 60 years old na ingat ka palagi na para makakuha mo princess mo kailangan ka ayos yung katawan mag-ingat palagi para di ang sakit yan lang. Happy birthday! I love you, Nanay!
Happy birthday, Nanay! Happy birthday, Nanay! Happy birthday, Nanay! Wala na yung zero yan!
Happy birthday, you're so beautiful tonight. Make the stars look shining bright. Wish you all the happiness and love in this world. Always be with you.
Take me away.